Hello students, today we're going to do an experiment about how viruses are easily picked up and why it's important to wash your hands. Joining me today is my lab assistant,
Mr. Favada.
Mr. Favada and I are going to show you why it's very important to wash your hands. To do this experiment, you'll need a paper plate, some water, some brown pepper, and a few drops of dish detergent. Why is it important to wash our hands when you come back inside?
So we don't get germs.
So we don't get germs. So when you wash your hands, what do you think happens?
The germs come off and go in the drain.
So let's see what happens when we do that.
Yeah.
So we're going to pour the water into the paper plate.
It's dripping a little.
It'll be okay. We'll clean up our messes. All right. What is this again?
Pepper, and we're gonna dip it in there.
We're going to sprinkle it in there. All right. And so that's a lot of germs going in there. And pepper is kind of like the germs.
Yeah.
So what I want you to do is I want you to put one finger in there and see if you pick up any germs. So touch the water and the pepper. Okay, take your finger off and show that to the camera. So that could be germs, right? So it's very important to wash our hands. So now what I want you to do is here is some dish detergent, some soap. All right, dip one finger in there and touch the water again, and look what happens. So all the germs and everything, they get broken down and they get washed off. So do you think it's important to wash your hands?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so to do this experiment again, you need a paper plate, some water, some pepper, and some dish soap. You pour the water into the plate, sprinkle some pepper on top, touch it one time, see if you get any germs, and then put your finger into some dish soap and touch it back to the plate. And you should see science in action.
You can only do it one time.
All right, thank you for being my lab assistant today. What are we going to go do now?
Wash our hands.
Wash our hands. Thank you and have a good day.